Well, hello, everyone. How is everyone doing today? Oh my gosh, look at this. I forgot to get my water. I'm an amateur. Yeah, about time I started the stream. Yes, Dan, I do need a haircut. It's pretty crazy. Actually, I have an appointment on Tuesday, actually, to get a haircut. So next week, I will be clean shaving with a nice fresh haircut. Looking sharp, clean. Pop that collar. Whatever that means. If you let it get any longer, you're going to have your daughters help you braid it. Hey, I'm almost at a, thinking, do like the man bun, right? The man bun is a popular thing nowadays with the beard and the man bun. Well, I got the beard going. So maybe I can just grow my little man bun and button it up. Can you imagine me with a man bun? That would be ridiculous. Golly, I should have went and got some water. Then I had to go vegan. Oh! Jada Kalisha! Ladybug! Thank you so much. My daughter brought me a fresh glass of water. She heard me talking how I didn't have water, and Jade brought me some water. One benefit of having kids that stay home for school, do virtual school. Yes! Now I won't thirst to death during the stream today. All right. So who do we got in the chat today? All I see is Dan talking right now. Dan, they're like house servants. Kind of. Hey, what's that? Geta? GH33.2? Is that Geta? Geta 2? Did I say that right? Good to see you. Thanks for joining. Gmoo, how's it going? Oh, Will. I'll try to remember that. Your coded username. Just use Will. Then I don't have to guess. See, my username is Brian Lagunas. Dan, you see Dan? Dan Siegel. Like, I could do all kinds of like encoded usernames. Oh, I'm sure Will isn't taken. New one here. What's that? Cisco? Is that how you say that? The P is silent. Welcome to the stream. What's that? How's that go? Long time listener, first time caller. Something like that. Well, thanks for joining today. Today I got something that might happen during stream, just so you know. I ordered some new patio furniture in July. And it's supposed to be finally delivered today. Between 1 a.m. and midnight tonight, right? It's like, we'll show up when we show up. We don't know when it's going to be. Who cares about what you have going on, what your schedule looks like? We're just going to show up and deliver your furniture when we feel like it. And so, if they just happen to show up during stream, I'm going to have to just go tell them where to put the stuff, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so just a fair warning. I may have to put a little pause depending if they show up or not. So hopefully they'll at least wait until after the stream to show up. Lunchtime would be perfect for them to show up. So I am slammed with meetings today. I have a meeting at noon, so I have a hard stop at noon again today. Just meetings all day. Who invented the meeting? Really? Meetings are a huge waste of time sometimes. Actually, one of my very first applications I ever wrote was for a Windows Phone. Okay? And it was called Toxic Meeting. And what it was it was an application that read your calendar info, and it had all the attendees in the meeting. And then I would give an estimate of how much per hour they would get paid, right? So all these people in the meeting. And so so I would time when individuals were talking. So when someone would start talking, and I'd hit a timer on their name. Okay, so only people who were talking were really in the meeting. You know what I'm saying? Like, who needs to be here? And then at the end of the meeting, it would calculate all the time that was wasted from people who had no interest in being there and how much money it cost the company for that meeting. That was my very first Windows Phone app. I called it Toxic Meeting. I was in so many meetings. I was like, this has got to be costing this company a ton of money and time, because this doesn't apply to anything that most of these people are in here. Like learn to invite the proper people to a meeting. And I've started a new rule where I will not accept a meeting request that's longer than 30 minutes. An hour-long meeting is ridiculous. Okay, get it to 30 minutes, then send me a meeting request, and then I may join it. I will never schedule a meeting longer than 30 minutes. Like, if I can't say what I got to say in 30 minutes or less, I need to think about what I'm going to say more, right? To be succinct. So, yeah, I do not accept meetings that are an hour long. Tanak, love Infragistics. I introduced it to my company, and they love it too. Awesome! Great to hear. What product, by chance? What product were you, did you introduce them to? We have so many. So many. Maybe it's all of them. I tell you what, I am liking the web components more and more and more, personally. You know, with all these web frameworks out there, you have like React, Vue, Angular, Blazor, right? All these different web components. All these web platforms, frameworks. And you got to have like special controls just for them. Right? Oh, I need an Angular component. Oh, I need a React component. Oh, I need this in Vue. Oh, I need Blazor components. But the web component project is really nice because it's based on just HTML, JavaScript, web standards. It works in any web platform. So I'm using those more and more than any of the platform-specific controls. So, okay. As of what I'm going to be working on today. Oh, Jimu, used Prism for my university project. Really liked it. Nice. Great to hear. Probably made your project easier to write. Because especially if you're like new to WPF, right? You're at university, maybe you're new to Xamarin or WPF. Using Prism really helps guide you down a path to success, and it solves a lot of the problems you would have to solve on your own if you weren't using Prism. Like navigation's a huge one, right? Page life cycles and passing parameters and communication and all this stuff. It just works. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. So for today, I don't know what I'm going to work on. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm working on today. Is that wrong? Should I even start this stream? Right? Now, most people in their right mind, they would say, you know what? I don't know what I'm going to work on today. What I'm going to talk about. So I'm just not going to stream. I don't have anything. Not me. I'm the crazy guy who's just going to push the button and see what happens, right? Now, there are a few things that are kind of tinkering in my mind. So first off, if you have any ideas of what we should do, feel free to put it in the chat. Maybe we'll do one of those. Otherwise, I mean, there is something I've been wanting to play with that I haven't yet. Asynchronous functionality. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by asynchronous functionality? That's a pretty broad subject. That's a very broad subject, actually. Like writing an async method? You want to create your very own asynchronous method? Something like that? Or are you trying to handle tasks? Or what? What are we doing here? Well, BLT. The Brian Lagunas talk. I need a talk show. That's it. So on my YouTube channel, I have a series called Tech Questions, and I answer a whole bunch of tech questions. Maybe I could do the tech question, the live version of the tech question. Darth Coder says, tree view. So there was one thing, something on WPF. Anything, just WPF, whatever. I could show you the WPF memory leak you didn't know you had. How about that one? How to implement a good practice using Prism to handle tasks, cancel. So, oh, first off, I almost forgot. So in the last stream, we started writing a GitHub action. Remember that? If you joined me last Thursday, last time we streamed, we started writing. I wrote my very first GitHub action, and then I started to modify it to add a sponsor label to anyone who sponsors me for issues they submit or pull requests, right? But I ran out of time. But I did work on that. Hold on. I did work on that Inception a little bit after, and I wound up finishing it. So I just want to show everyone what I came up with. Okay. Let's just go, just my shortcut. Go to my repositories, my sponsor action. So I will paste this in chat. And so what this does, it is a GitHub action that if someone sponsors you, me, or multiple people on the project, they will get a nice little sponsor label that's added to the issue. And I have a sample of that actually, because I did some testing. Because remember, I was using that, I was using a repository. Which one was it? Oh yeah, this convert project to .NET Core 3. I was using this. So if we go to our issues, go to closed. You see this right here, this test issue? You see that little label right here? Bam! Right there. Right there. You see that? Well, that is this GitHub action in action. Right? So anytime someone sponsors a maintainer of a repo, that sponsor label will be added automatically. Now, what's cool about this one is that you can actually provide multiple maintainers, because if you're on a big project like Prism, there's 2 maintainers. So you can provide a list of usernames of people that you need to check against if they're sponsored or not. So in this case, in Prism's case, it's the maintainers are myself and Dan. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And the code is here. We look at the source. It's all right here. This is everything. That's all it took. All JavaScript. Wasn't that hard actually. The hardest part was getting this freaking query right. Trying to understand, like, Dan had to help me with this because I had no idea how to freaking use GraphQL against the API. Like, what the heck? And then apparently there were some changes and you had to do this sponsor entity with a 3 dots, and like, I don't know what the heck this does, but with Dan's help, we got it working, got it all figured out. So that was cool. Feel free to use this in your own projects. Just copy and paste this here. Add it as a workflow. You don't have to provide maintainers. By default, it's going to use the project owner or the repo owner, right? But if you want to add more people, you can. Simple. So yeah, if you want to use it, give it a shot. Now, I haven't uploaded it to the marketplace yet. I don't know if I want to. I don't know, because then, then people might start submitting feature requests and issues, and really this is like a personal thing. I don't want to get a ton of people like, I don't need another project taking up my time. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, another announcement. Oh, wait, we have a chat here. Sorry. Wow, Jinxie. Just jumped in here to say this. Hope you don't take offense from this. You look like a young Brian O'Halloran. Hold on. Who is this? I'm scared to do a search. I don't know who's. Better not be like a porn star or something. Let's see. Images. I would say not only a young, but a much more handsome, muscular, leaner Brian O'Halloran. How about that? Yeah. Nope. Yeah, I don't look anything like this guy. I don't see it. I'm not seeing it. Wow. I'm not seeing it. I don't see that at all. Now, what I have gotten, I've gotten this one. I could kind of see this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, hold on. Right? I can kind of see that one. A little Doctor Strange going on. Okay. Back to the other announcement I wanted to make. So if you are a person that uses Dr. Lagunas, if you are a person that uses Prism, who's that? Wow, Jinxie, thanks for the follow. I appreciate you, my friend. So if you are a user of Prism, I would like to announce that Prism has been accepted to the discussions beta. So now you can come in to the Prism repo. Not only do we have issues and pull requests, but look, discussions. Discussions. You can now post your questions and comments about Uno platform, WPF, Xamarin Forms, or show and tell. What have you created? Right? Show us your app. What have you been doing? Or just general, like, I just want to say hi to somebody. And so, but I do want to point out that this discussions is kind of an experiment, right? So right now, we send everyone asking questions about Prism to Stack Overflow. Because this is supposed to be about the community helping the community, right? It's open source. We help each other out. Don't always depend on Brian and Dan to answer every single question you got because Brian and Dan are extremely busy. So, I just wanted to point this out that, you know, this isn't a dedicated support channel. What we really want to do is we want to take the content and all the knowledge about Prism and put it in one location, right? So we want to come off Stack Overflow and put all that content in one location. It's all next to each other. So you just go to one spot and it's there. Okay, just boom. Easy to find. You don't have to jump around to all these different places. And so I want to say there are no expectations or guarantees that Brian or Dan will respond to your question. Right? Just like Alex here said, great to have everything in the same place. Exactly. That's what we want to go for. So we are in the discussions beta now. So if you have some questions you want to ask your fellow community, feel free to jump on in there. I almost missed this part though. Let me go back. However, if you are a sponsor, myself and Dan will respond when we have available, right? We will prioritize your question because you go out of your way to support us. We'll make sure that we do our best to support you, right? Okay, so that's that announcement. Any other announcements before I get into actually doing something? Oh, there is one more. Prism has a new website. Yay! Here, you can check it out yourself. So the prismlibrary.com, we have a new website. I knocked this out over the weekend. It's up, it's live, and it's a single page. Looks cool, right? I just try to make it a little more polished. Some links to some Pluralsight courses that I did because, you know, not a lot of people know about these. And if you're using Prism, you know, we're putting this content right in front of you. And I bet if you might not even know about these other Pluralsight courses I have. You might have seen the introduction to Prism one, but it's like, whoa, wait, mastering the tab control, showing multiple shells, loading dependent views, loading modules based on user roles. Yeah, these are all courses that you guys can go look at. Oh, which reminds me, how could I? Oh my gosh, how could I have forgotten this? I'm so glad I brought that up because I'm gonna give you a link right now. Where's my chat? There it is. Okay. Right now, Pluralsight is giving an entire week free access to their catalog. Okay? Right now. So I just posted a link in there. It's the first one, not the Stream Elements bot, but the one I posted in there. I'm gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to this page called Free Week, and it ends on October 18th. So it started on the 12th, started on Monday, but you have till Sunday. So I highly suggest click on that link, sign up for the free week, okay, and learn whatever you can learn. Like, you have till Sunday to figure out what you want to learn and learn it, okay? And here's some courses you might want to check out. You know, if you want to learn more about Prism, you might want to check those out. Just saying. But yeah, so that's cool. New website, and these little buttons work. Yay! Love that. Now I'm thinking about adding a little counter right here because we have over 13.5 million downloads of Prism. So I was thinking about adding a little counter at the bottom down here that says, oh yeah, we have 13.6 million downloads of Prism. How crazy is that? Alex, good to see you. Good to see you. Oh, Darth Coder, I'm sorry, I almost missed that question. Do you still do Slack or Get sponsors? So that's another great question. We are gonna try to move away from Slack, Dan and myself, and instead, for sponsors, we're gonna move to the Sponsor Connect. If I can type Discord. The Sponsor Connect here. Right, so Sponsor Connect is gonna be just for sponsors. And it's gonna be a Discord instead of Slack. And that's where we're gonna do all our announcements and, you know, answer questions and things like that. So we're gonna be moving away from Slack to the Discord, to Sponsor Connect, and it's all automated. So what's cool is you'll log into this website, sponsorconnect.dev, and all you have to do is sign in, and then you're just automatically added to everything, right? Just sign in. You'll sign in using GitHub. We'll know that you're a sponsor, and then we'll connect you to everything. We're even gonna move the nightly builds. We're gonna move to sponsors only. Mainly because no one really uses the nightly builds anyways. It's like, well, why are we giving them out then? And there's some tools that we give to sponsors. I know Dan has Prism.Magician. He's been putting a lot of effort into. And he's got a lot of great features in a new Visual Studio extension called Prism Magician. And so sponsors at a certain level will get that tooling as well. A lot of code generation. That's kind of cool. So, actually... let's go to GitHub sponsors. Dan. Here, I'm going to put this in the chat. And if we look at... Yeah, so if you're a sponsor at $10 a month, he will give you access to Prism.Magician. Which is pretty cool, actually. Oh, Dan. Dan says, Magician is not a VS extension. It is a NuGet. So it works in the CI. Oh, sweet. Even better. Even better. So, if you're curious about that, go ahead and reach out to Dan. Mention him in the chat if you got questions. He is the man. Dan the man. Dan the man. That's your new nickname, Dan the man. Everyone, we got to call him Dan the man now. And I don't care if you don't like it, Dan. It is what it is. I said it on the internet live, so it is so. Okay. Trying to think. I think that's all the announcements I had. Dan, that one isn't new. I've had that nickname for years. Well, it didn't count until I gave you the nickname, so now it counts. It counts now. Starting today, it counts. It didn't count before. Don't you know I'm an influencer? I stream on Twitch. Right? That makes me an influencer. Isn't that the rule? If you have a YouTube channel and you stream, you're an influencer and people got to listen to you. Oh, don't listen to me. Hold on. Don't listen to me. There we go.
Hey, pal. You just blowing from Stupid Town?
Yes, I did. All right. So now... Whoops. I gotta get used to this again. Okay, so now we have to talk about what we're actually going to do. I got my announcements out. One thing I've been wanting to do is look at creating some templates for the Prism template pack for Uno. Okay, I haven't spent a lot of time in Uno, but I want to start kind of getting into it. I've heard a lot of great things about it. And I'm not going to create an Uno project until it's structured the way I like it. And so I don't know what an Uno project really looks like. So I figured I would start working on that. So what do you think? Should we do an Uno project? An Uno project template to be included in the Prism template pack, because you may not know this, but we do have a preview for the Prism for Uno, right? Dan says, why? The Uno team already has the Uno template. Why not just fix their template? Do they have an Uno template? Oh, no. That's what I'm going to use. Hold on. Let me just open here. Let's just do that. Let's just do that. I'm going to create a new project. I do have the Uno template. I installed the Uno template. I just have to find the Uno. Yeah, Uno cross-platform app. This is the one. That's the one right there. Alex says, is the Mac template back on the cards? No. No, who uses Mac? I'm going to call this Uno platform. No, I'm going to call it Uno blank. No. What am I going to call this? Blank template. Let's just start with a blank template first. Uno blank template. And then I'll do a Uno full template, which will have like modules and all that other stuff in it, right? Okay, first let's see what's created. Let's see what's created. I want to see what this looks like. This is my first file, new Uno blank template. What do we have? Nope. Okay. Let me collapse all this junk. Okay, so we have a Droid project, an iOS, a Mac. We have a shared UWP and a WASM. Okay, okay. Okay. Dan says about the Mac templates. Maybe. We'll have to see how it goes with Matt Robbins next Thursday. Timebender. Uno, my friend. Alex, is this something sponsors could help with? I believe so. Oh, Dan posted a link for me. Let me see. Oh, does Uno have... Hold on. How do I just copy this link? It opens in this other browser window that I hate. Okay, so this is Uno's Prism template that they have, and I already don't like it. I already don't like it. Oh, let's see what they have. The Droid, shared. Okay, it's exactly what we have. Let's go to shared, but what do they have here? I might refer to this. Oh, register type. Okay, okay, okay. I see what they're doing. This is the Prism application. Great shell, register types, and then they have this junk. Okay, that's pretty simple, actually. That's a pretty simple startup. I don't like this link opening up in this other freaking weird window. I want to copy this. How do I copy that? Can I do this? Here we go. This is what I want right there. Okay. So I'm going to drag that off to the left here, off to the side to refer back to. I'm going to open up this in File Explorer. Uno blank template. Well, you know, this isn't... This actually isn't bad here. How did they have it here? See, in this case, yeah, see, I don't like it this way. I don't like it this because it has the solution with all these project heads and at the same level. I like this level better. You see that? Because I imagine things like this. Right? Something like that. Let's see. Dan says, I would clone that and then just update what they have to what you want. I always prefer a source folder with all my project stuff. Yeah, I like the source folder too, but, you know, that's pretty opinionated. And so when you're doing templates that everyone around the world is going to use, you can't be so opinionated. You know, you got to balance the opinions. Dan and myself, we are pretty strongly opinionated people. But I think I do a better job at realizing that, you know, when I create something for the masses, that I try not to put so much of my opinion in it. I'm just trying to think how this is gonna work, right? Dan says, you know, basically how we have Prism now. Yep. It says, yes, you can. If I'm building templates, I'm building them for me and letting others use them. Yeah, see, that's the difference is I want to use them, but I want to make them to where other people will use them too, right? I'm not selfish, Dan. Jeez. Thinking only of yourself. But see, I'm kind of thinking like you would have modules at this level. You have a modules folder. Well, also, first things first. First things first. I'm going to add a solution folder. I don't like all this noise because if I don't have to be in here, I don't want to look at it. And chances are I don't have to be in there that often. That's already better. Already. 100 times better, just that alone. For me. Because if you're working mainly here, why do you need all this other noise all up in your face? I don't need all that noise all up in my face. Now, the next question is where should these... You know, it probably shouldn't have been the blank app. It should have been... Probably should have been the full app. I should just... Yeah. Come on, Brian. Jeez. I'm trying to think of where I want to put these modules. Let me look at what we've done in the past. It's been so long since I've looked at these. Repos, Prism, templates. So for like Xamarin Forms, blank app. Okay, that's the blank app. Here's the solution. Oh, okay. Let's look at the... Oh, I didn't do a full app, did I? I did a full app for... Ah, here we go. Okay, so here's the... Where's my full app solution? So we have full app. Where's my solution file? Did I... Oh my gosh. I hope I didn't lose that. Yeah, I don't see it. The solution file for the full app is missing. The blank app one, the blank core app, the module.wpf, and the module core. I'm missing the full app solution. Wonderful, Brian. Way to go. But you see how this is kind of set up where we have the full app. We have modules, tests, services. So when I'm looking at... So maybe this is where I need to rearrange things. Maybe this is where I would have modules. I'm just trying to think. Platforms. Right, something like that. Tests. And then these would be moved under platform. Mac. That stays out. I'm thinking. Refresh so that can break. Why didn't that break? Okay, close it. Don't save yet. I'm not going to save that yet. Okay. So we have... Yeah, so modules, platforms, tests, and then your actual code. So if I go back to the solution here, I'll open that back up. We're going to get some broken stuff. Yep, I know about that, and we will just fix it. What the? Hey, what happened to my... That's annoying. That's annoying. Okay, do this a different way. Open with code. This is gonna go Uno blank template shared. Blank template shared project items. Right here. Shared. Okay. This is gonna be slash platforms. Whoops, wrong way. And I'm not sure. I think the alt works here. Nope, it does not. Dang it. Okay, so we got that in our platforms. Okay. Let's see if that fixed it. Omar, hello! Good to see you, my friend. Huh. Something's going on. I'm losing. I'm losing internet. What's going on? Something weird's happening to my internet. Am I back? I think I'm back. I think I'm back. Very strange. Yeah, my internet like dropped. That was very strange. Okay, so we'll come here. We're going to add a new solution folder. Yeah, okay, I think I'm back. I think I'm back now. Platforms. That in there. That did I mess up the... Oh, I did, didn't I? Linus! You can press Control D in VS Code to select the number similar words and have it select the cursor at every position. Yeah, no, you know, in Visual Studio... let me find a piece of code. Let me open up a code here. I could click somewhere, hold the Alt key, and then I could select like all in the same area, like the same... I don't even know the word I'm trying to... I'm demonstrating it, and then I could type something, and it types it all up, right? That's what I was trying to do in code, but code doesn't let me do that. So I did mess up. I did mess up the shared one. Save that. Go back to this. Open with code. Did I do that for shared? I thought I left the shared one alone. Oh, I guess I didn't leave it alone. Yeah, I messed that one up, didn't I? This first one, shared. Well, like I said, that should work too, but you had word wrap enabled, I think. Did I? Alt? Well, it's not word wrapping. It's not working. I hold down Alt, and nope. Does a selection. Okay, I'm losing internet again, by the way. What is going on today? It's gonna be one of those days, people. One of those days. Technology is not being my friend today. Okay, here we go. Finally. I like this already. Right? I like this already. Because I can just focus on the code and not have to worry about all the noise of these platforms. Okay. So open this. So I'm thinking this is looking okay. And essentially this Uno blank template, this is essentially the source file. This turns into the source. But I don't know if I like that. I don't know, I have to use it for a little bit before I make a decision. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, but now what that allows me to do is have these modules and tests. Okay, so first off, let's do this. Let's add some Prism, shall we? Prism dry IOC uno. Thank you, autocorrect. It is a pre-release. I will take that, and I'm pretty sure I need it in all of them. Pretty sure I need it in all of them. Okay. Oh, actually, I don't need it in all of them. I need prism.dryoc.uno in the shared only. Which one's the shared? Oh, wait a minute. I do. Okay, different project. Sorry. Different. I can't add it to shared. A shared project works differently. God, I hate shared project. Okay, these are actually the entry points, so I do need to add it to all of those. Sorry. I won't have to add the container to any modules I create. That I won't have to do. So if I added like another library that I'm going to act as a module, I wouldn't have to add dryoc.uno, just prism.uno. That's it. Because only the entry point of the application has to know about the container. No, nothing else has to know about the container. All right, so we got that. Dan says, it is a pre-release today, but who knows about tomorrow? Well, I do. I know about tomorrow. Yes, you know about tomorrow, and we know about Monday, too. Should we say it, Dan? Should I tell him? Should I tell him what's happening on Monday? I don't know. Should I tell him? I don't know. Probably only have 3 people listening. So on Monday, we are releasing Prism version 8. Prism version 8. Monday. Yes, that's right. Prism version 8 will release on Monday. So get your upgrade buttons ready, people. And there are breaking changes, so make sure you read the release notes. Putting that out there right now. Make sure you read the release notes. All right. You might want to wait. Your stream died. Had to reload. Well, they missed it. They missed the announcement. XMLNS. Prism equals. What the? Oh, no. Don't tell me that Uno does not support custom URI schemes. It does not look like it. Crap. Okay. Well, I don't know this. You know what? I'll just look at what they have. Because I don't remember this off the top of my head. Omar, sorry, can I know what you were working on? I am creating a template for the Prism template pack for Uno projects based on how I want to use them. Now, Dan did have a good idea about updating Uno's Prism template here. But I don't know. I like things my way. What was I doing? Oh, yes. I was going to look at the shared. Because I don't think... Yes. Dang it. This is what we have to do. I don't like that at all. But I think that is a limitation of UWP. This is not Uno's problem. So Uno uses UWP syntax, right? The markup XAML version of UWP. So that's why we are limited to UWP. Now here, this will actually be Prism application. I will actually delete this in a minute. Will this? Why doesn't this give me? Okay. Dan says, by the way, I lost connection, so did you tell them about Monday? Yes, I told them about Monday. I told them that Prism 8 is releasing on Monday. And then I did this. And then while that was happening, I said, Prism version 8 is releasing on Monday. So there. I did that. And there, I mentioned also there were breaking changes. Okay, on launch. Oh, yeah, we're getting rid of all that crap. Getting rid of all that crap. That's a lot going on right there. But for some reason, why is... I don't have an option to view this as... whatchamacallit? As UWP. What is going on? Normally there's a drop down at the top. Right? Normally there's a drop down at the top that tells you if you're UWP or not. That is gone. Because now we don't have any IntelliSense. It's all broken. What the heck? What about... Well, crap. I don't know. See this? We should have a designer at the top, and we should have a drop down. Okay, I'm going to restart Visual Studio. Yes, save. I'm going to restart Visual Studio. I'm going to see if that fixes it. Because there's supposed to be a drop down where you change your platform, if you will, UWP, and I don't have it. It is broken. Really? Really? Should I update Visual Studio? I had an update come through. I'm scared. I'm scared to update anything. All right, so this is obviously a Uno template problem. Because normally I would have this as well. Where's... Oh, there it is. Add. So I would add my modules here. But this is a blank template, so I'm not having modules in this specific template. But this is going to make it harder for me. Because I can't use my control dots at all. Well, that sucks. See, I don't get anything. Don't get anything. All right. I guess that means I'm going to copy what they're doing. I don't have any IntelliSense at all.
Another one.
At all.
Another one. Another one.
Ali!
Another one.
Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that.
Another one. And another
You are watching
one.
me complain about the broken Uno templates. That really sucks. I want my IntelliSense. Did I, Okay. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. Let's just take this whole class. And then I will modify it to how I want it. Because I know I'm not using all of these. I know I'm not using all these namespaces. But I can't use my control dot. Okay, so I'm looking at this. Okay, that's duplicate. Probably need to keep that. Override on launched. You know what? I don't need to keep that. Nothing is happening there. Why would I keep that? Application state is saved. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this either. I do need to keep create shell. I haven't decided. Oh, that means I need to add some projects. Some views and folders. This is gonna be view models. Right. And views. I don't know if I'm gonna call. Oh, my internet's going out. My internet is not happy today. I don't know if I'm gonna call that shell or not. Look at this. I don't have. This is really annoying. I'm gonna add a blank page. Wait, is it a page? Is it a content page? What is it? A page. Uno platform, blank page. I don't know if I should call this main page or shell. I guess I can call it shell. What do you guys think? Should I call it shell or keep it main page? Dan says, yeah, he's been having issues with internet today too. His internet totally died earlier. Went to do the tech check for DevReach. Nice. Well, mine is definitely not happy. It's fluctuating, like the speeds. I have a little gauge off to the side here. I can kind of monitor that, and yeah, it's not happy. I guess we can call it shell. What the heck? What the heck? Let's call it shell. We'll call it shell. Okay, so that register types. Yep, you got to have that. That's part of the abstract class of the Prism application. And configure filters. I don't know what that is. iLogger factory. Okay. Up. Yeah, Dan said, oh, my internet. I don't know if you guys can see this now. Don't even know if you can see it. That's right. I'll keep talking. I'll keep talking and pretend like you can see it. You know, one thing I might consider doing, actually, is I'm streaming at a pretty high rate. I might lower it down. It doesn't need to be this high quality. Really, it doesn't. Okay, so Uno, Windows. Okay, yeah, I guess I better leave this. I better leave that. I'm not sure about this suspending. I guess I can leave this, but I'm going to move it. I don't like it there. Okay. All right, I think that's good there. Go back to their template. I want to see what they have. I want to see how simple they keep it. Look, yeah, that won't even load. They better not have any code behind back here. Okay, good. How to remove all that. Oh, yeah, see, this sucks. So in WPF, you could do, you know, http prismlibrary.com, and then you get everything. You don't have to bring these in individually. Because this kind of, that really blows, actually. I am going to do what I always do, though. I'm going to delete those. I'll add mine. I'll add the viewModel locator, which means I need to add a viewModel. Oh my gosh! We need to fix this. Okay, so little history lesson for everyone. Back when Prism implemented the AutoWire viewModel for WPF for the very first time, way back in the day, they capitalized wire right here. So they treated wire like AutoWire. That's one word, but they had it as two different words. And it's such a massive breaking change in WPF, we never changed it. But I think for Uno, I want to see about fixing that. Because that is WPF exactly. I want to see about fixing that. So, Dan, if you're paying attention, if maybe we can put an if def or something around that name. Oh my gosh, I hate that. That drives me nuts. Okay. We need a view model. Add new item. Prism view model. Shell view model. Okay, that works. Now we're not getting IntelliSense because there should be a UWP drop down here, which we don't have. Huh. Want me to include it in the Central Package VR? PR? Psh. Why not? No, actually don't, because that Central Packaging PR is, I don't know what's up with that. That thing hasn't worked since you submitted it like months ago. Okay, so we have the view model. We probably need to add a region. What do they have? Oh, they got a lot going on here. Okay, we can do this. We can do that. That's not bad. So Dan says, actually, I just need to fix the WASM UI test step. The rest is working. Oh. Okay. So I guess we're removing that. Oh, that means there is a property in our view model. So I mean, actually, they didn't do bad for a blank template. Really, they didn't do bad. They did add a view model base. I mean, we could add a view model base. Sure, why not? I think I did this in WPF actually, in the blank template. But I added that to a core project. I didn't add. I don't think the view model base was in the shared. Because if I would do something like this, add a new project. Oh my God, I don't want it shared. Can't I just do a like a .NET Core project? Does it have to be a Uno cross-platform library? Maybe it does. So Uno blank. What do I call this? Template.core. See, I would do something like this. And then this right here, delete that class. This is where I would add that. Add new class. View model base, right? And it says, as far as he knows, you do need the multi-targeted pack. Yeah, I figured so. But look, this project, look, I have it. I have it right here. Look. See that? I don't have this in the shared project, which I should have. This is missing from the shared project. Actually, I think I make this. Do I make it public? I think I do. I don't remember. Let's manage our NuGet packages. Oh, Prism.Uno. Add Prism.Uno to core. Yeah, Dan says, chances are the references are bad on the target platforms. Yeah, probably. Crap. You can't edit this? That's no fun. Okay, prop P. I don't. Right? I think that's what they had. There. And then, now that we added the core, we have to add that reference. Core. To all of these projects. This is what I'm thinking. You know, when it comes to tooling, they should have a button to add a reference to every one of these. Just add one reference and boom. Right? Like, they need to have tooling and their extension to where I can right click and say add reference to all, or even right click, I don't know, right click somewhere. Right click the solution. Add Uno reference. And then you pick the reference and it adds it to all the platform projects. Something like that. Maybe I'll write that. Okay. So now, this will be view model base. And then title equals, see, I'm not, since the IntelliSense is broken, title equals, actually, I'll just take what they had. Oh, they just called it main page? That's it? Okay, sure. And we have a region. Okay. So this is a pretty good blank project. Let's try running it, actually. No IntelliSense will it even build. If that reference thing is broken in the Uno shared project, will it even work? That's what I'm curious about. Huh. Alex says I should suggest it to Mads on his Friday stream. Well, I think this is specific to Uno, though. Okay. Yeah, it failed. Program does not contain a static main method suitable for... You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Well, no, that should have still worked. I did forget to do this, by the way. I did forget to do that. However, because it was still using... Oh, wait, Dan says, when I say bad reference, I mean the import project path is bad. I'm not sure what you mean there. I'm trying to think. Let's see if this fixes it, though. Or fixes my build problem. No, that wasn't the problem. Okay. Time for a test. Create a new project. App. Uno app. Uno app 1. We're going to try another one. You'd want to remove the import, then re-add it in Visual Studio. Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah, you know what? You might be right. Something might got screwy there. Oh my gosh. Got 3 of those. Let's go with UWP. It's on my Windows machine. First, I want to test opening up the main. And yes, it works here. It works there. Okay. All right, let's go back. I think Dan might be right. When I move things around, it might have broken that reference. So, where's my shared? Oh, it's not even there. It totally removed the reference. Wait, can I not add it?
Another one.
Add reference.
Another one. Another one.
Solution. Shared
Another
project. Here we
one.
go. There we go. Who is that?
Another one. And another
Hana-san?
one.
Thank you for the follow. There it is, shared. Shows you how often I use shared projects. I don't use shared projects. I have never been a fan of shared projects. All right, this might fix our problem then. This was my fault. Cancel. And Dan with the subscription, Twitch Prime. Nice. Okay, add reference. Core, Droid, iOS, UWP. Wow, okay, where's my shared? Where's my... Come on. Really? You know what? Forget you, Mac. I don't care about you. You could suck it. I don't like you. You're not my friend. Solutions, shared projects. There we go. UWP likes me. Everyone else liked me. Add shared project reference. Okay, so the only one we couldn't add a shared project reference to was the Mac. Right click, add reference, web reference. I don't see a shared. I'm gonna try add reference again. Projects. Okay, I could probably. You know what? Let's do this. Import project. Hold on, what's this? What's this? Oh, look at that. That's the old one. That is the old one. Right? That looks like the old one. Hold on, what is this here? Dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash. I don't think that's right. It's dot dot slash up one. This is weird. And this... Okay, this doesn't look right. That's what I'm saying. And I can't view that one. Are none of these the SDK style projects, just this one? Open folder and file explorer. So I'm gonna go. Where's that? There it is. Nope, that didn't fix it. I don't need my search bar to be that big. Can I resize that? So it should go dot dot slash 1 dot dot slash 2. And then, whoa. Where's my core project? I have a core oh my gosh. Ugh. That's why. We will remove that. Come on, Brian. Pay attention to where you're putting things. What? It won't copy over? Copy. Paste. There we go. I was wondering because I looked at that. I saw 3 backslashes or 3, relative paths going back. I'm like, no, that's not right. It should only be 2 or 1. 2. It should be 2. It should only be 2. So now let's go add existing project. It's funny how this little... Wait. Why did it open up? Oh. Why can't it just open where I was at? That one. There. Okay, there. So I'm not going to add that again. It's so funny how this little stuff takes the longest amount of time. Like, it takes forever to do this. Add that to core. I even forgot what I'm doing. Add reference, core. Add reference to core. Add reference to core. Broken record. All right. We got that. Finally. So this was probably the original. So I'm going to do this. So now I have, okay, now we're getting somewhere. What I have to do now, actually, I have to close this. Yeah, save. I'm going to save everything. But I have to go back to my platforms. I'm going to edit these. Where is my right here? Take that one. That was Droid. iOS. Okay, got that slash. Isn't this fun? Isn't this the best stream you've ever seen in your life? So exciting. Okay, what do we have here? Where is it? Where is it? Here. We'll open with code. Yep. Last one. And this one has already been fixed. Okay. Okay, looks like we're good. That doesn't belong there. Okay, I don't have any modules in this one. I don't have any tests. This is our blank template. Linus, I'm annoyed that you don't just open the whole folder in VS Code instead of opening every file individually. I still have to go find it. Okay. But yeah, I guess I could have done that. All right. So now, let me close this shell. I should be able to open up this view. And no, I do not have that drop down. Look. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What is going on? What is going on? No, I don't want to install an update.
Hey man, so excuse the voice recording, but
I
just wanted to show you how those lyrics fit in terms of like melody.
okay.
Nobody believed in me.
Didn't we fix this?
I always had myself, whatever you see in me. I never had much help, but you came along and you proved me
Let's
wrong.
see. I thought we fixed that. We even saw that it was working. Right? Okay. Say, for example, wait, we're doing WASM. We're here. Back 1. Back 2. There it is. Okay. Did you move something into a new directory? No, I didn't. Watch. Watch this. Watch. Okay. Add project reference. Shared project. It's the same. Oh. I see why. You see it?
Hey pal, you just blowing from stupid town?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on, it should not take this long. It should not take this long. It should take this long to do this. Okay. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna take Linus's advice. I'm just gonna open this in code, this whole freaking folder. Just open the whole freaking thing. Okay. It's that condition. And I left the condition because I wanted to stay consistent with Uno's projects, right? Wait, it was up here. It was up here for... Was it up here for iOS? No, that was Mac. It was Mac. It was up there. Yep, that. Now for this one, it was at the top. It was... Wasn't it? Yeah, it was right here. Isn't this so much fun, everyone? I bet you're like, oh, you're going to get off this. Like, that was the best stream I have seen in my life. I'm going to subscribe. I'm a subscriber for life. I can't imagine anyone in their lives doing a stream as awesome as that. Okay, just want to make sure. I think I fixed this one already. Maybe not. Nope, I didn't. Glad I checked. Okay. I did get this one right. Yes, I did. Okay. All right. I think... I think we can do this now. Dan, if you can't imagine someone doing a better stream, you have a crappy imagination. I really do. All right. Let's see. Did I fix it? Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. I fixed it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now I can change this to UWP and this should theoretically fix my problem here. But it didn't. But I did. I changed it to the UWP, so I should have IntelliSense now. Come on, I'm building. I'm doing a build now. The build succeeds. See if the build succeeds. Still waiting. Dude, I have a beast machine too. Okay, now something's weird. What do you mean cannot be found? Did I forget to add it somewhere? Oh my gosh, that's why. Duh. Okay, we're not using any of that mess. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that made sense. That made sense. I forgot to add the using statement. Okay, what's here? What's here? The type or namespace shell cannot be found. Oh, yep, got to add a using statement there. Okay, all right, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. We're gonna get this to work. Okay, build succeeded. What? Why? Why is my intelligence broken? Miley, what did you do? What did you do to my intelligence, Miley? She's always messing with my Visual Studio code, my Visual Studio. She messes with all my IDEs, breaking everything. It's not cool. It built just fine. It built just fine. Okay, I get IntelliSense here, right? Bar test. Yeah, see fonts. I see various fonts. Bar. What can I do? What can I do? New. I don't know. Date time. Yeah, date picker. Like I have IntelliSense in my C# code. What about this? Control J. I'm getting some not availables in Droid. I don't know what that's all about. That. I don't know why. Okay, so C# is working. This is not working, even though the designer works. What the? The designer works. But the IntelliSense is not working. Hold on. Did I close that other project? I want to see something. Let's open up that other Uno project I created. And I'm going to open up... Not that. I'm going to open this up. Change this to UWP. Ah! It's not me! It's not me. It's not my problem. It's broken in this one too. Not me. I heard a noise. I wonder if that's my furniture. Wonder if that's my furniture that just showed up. Okay. Okay, it's not me. I'm not crazy. That's fine. As long as it's not me. Can we run this? The solution is don't rely on IntelliSense. Are you kidding me? I've been trained. All right, let's debug. Wait. Why won't... Is it working? Local machine. Why won't that run? Oh, right. This is UWP and it sucks. You can't just hit F5. You have to deploy. Oh, okay. Someone's at my door. That is in fact. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. Please wait.
When one person meets another, come together. Oh, they are blending.
Tries to fake it, no, she'll break it. I can't take being alone in the end. I let this happen, I was happy we were laughing, but it never lasted long. I love her more, she is bored, packs her things and she's out that door.
Did everyone leave? Did everyone leave? Jabba says, there's a typo in the height auto. Must be height auto. Oh, no, it's fine. Lowercase is fine. This is... Dan, this is totally the best part of the stream. No Brian Lagoon. It's just Visual Studio and a bit of mic. All right. Now I should be able to run this. There we go. Main page. Welcome to Uno and Prism. Yay. It worked. It worked. Okay. This is essentially our template. I like this template. This is fine for a blank template. We have a core project in there. We have our platforms. Everything is arranged how I like them. Because when I'm working in code, I'm only going to be working in the shared project, and I'm going to be working in my core project. I do have to update this portion of it. Oh, wait, Dan said, just figured out why the WASM test is failing. You're so random, Dan. Good. I'm glad. Z Rayla. Hello, Brian. When will you do more web dev? I really enjoyed you flaming React. I do flame React. I do. I don't know. I have a video coming out on Monday and a blog post about Blazor. About using NPM on Blazor. I mean, I can show you how to use NPM in Blazor if you want. Or you can just wait till Monday on my YouTube channel and a video comes out. Okay, so the one thing I do have to do is now, and actually it's already done for me. Shared. Right here. This is really the only additional code I have to add. I'm going to put it under here too. So what's going to happen is I'm going to use this as a .NET Core template. And in the .NET Core templating engine, you can do directive like if-def stuff, right? And so we can check if the container is Unity or if it's going to be dry IOC. And so I can actually just cut that out and replace theirs with mine. Like that. And I don't like Prism IOC either. So I'm going to call this just Prism. this like that. Did I miss one? Yeah, I did miss one here. And I think I could go ahead. Oh, I can't. I can't go ahead yet. Uno blank template. XMLNS X. Okay, that's fine. Fine. I don't. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. So now I can delete this one. Save it, and our template is ready to be copied over. Okay, so I'm going to close this. That worked. Worked like a charm. And now I get to open up. Oh, hold on. Before I do this, let me open up my Git Crackalacka. And I have to open my repo. Prism templates here. Make sure I do a rebase, and I want to add a branch for adding Uno blank template. Oh, hold on. Uno blank template. All right. So now, Prism templates. Gotta create a new folder for Uno. Look at there. Copy paste. Now I'm gonna have to update some build scripts and all this other fun stuff. But I don't know if I get this in the Prism template pack in the next 20 minutes, because I do have a meeting at noon that I have to hop into. Okay, first thing is first. Delete all those bin and OBJs. Okay. Not too shabby, not too shabby. And there's no bin OBJ there. Okay, perfect. Okay, so what did I do? I gotta remember what I did here. Let me use WPF. I'm gonna copy that snippet. That new spec, I should say. Prism.uno.templates. Looks like I gotta use good old code. Man, I use code for everything. Okay, ID. Prism.uno.templates. Works for me. For Uno apps. This includes templates. Okay, so I'll need to add these templates too. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, these will change. Prism logo. Oh, I need. Oh no, that's okay. That's in one spot. I don't have any of that. I don't have that. I don't have that, but I do have an Uno blank. Called it a template, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. Oh! Calder Draconius asks, so in this context, what is Uno? So, Uno platform, actually, great question. Uno platform. Uno platform is a technology that allows you to write multi-platform applications with C#. and XAML, specifically using UWP/WinUI. And so, yeah, you get to target WebAssembly. It's kind of like a better version of Xamarin, because Xamarin only lets you do like iOS, Android, and UWP out of the box. And even then, the UWP is kind of, they don't really focus on it at all. It's just a better version of Xamarin, really. Standardized on a specific set of XAML skills and C# skills. And so, yeah, Uno is pretty cool, actually. This is what Xamarin wanted to be, right? That's what they wanted to be. They just haven't got there yet. But yeah, check that out. Here, I'll just put this link. And it's open source, free. You can use it all you want. Okay, so I call it Uno Blank Template. I think that's good. I don't see anything standing out at me. I'm have my package type as template. I'm gonna have to add. Oh, whoops! Blank app. I'm just gonna copy this. There's a lot to creating these templates. Like lots of little nuances. Oh crap! That's not where I wanted it.
Another one.
Not where I wanted
Another one. Another one.
it. Need
Another
it
one.
in the template.
Another one.
Edgard.
And another one.
Edgar Dev 86. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Yeah. Okay. So got that in there. Now I got to modify my template.json. Classifications. Uno. This is going to be Uno. Uno blank. Uno blank. If you're going to create this on the command line, Uno-blank will be what you will use. The language is C#. It is a project. Source name, blank app. Sure. Looks good. GUIDs, I don't really need these. Don't really need them, but I may add them. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I will or not. These aren't required. This is just saying you need to replace this GUID with something else. Not really required. I may leave it out for now. Just for some testing. Okay, so we don't need target framework version. I don't think. I don't know if we need this for... Do we need this for UWP? I'm going to leave it out for now. Actually, you know what? Let's just go here and look at theirs. How about that? Let's see. Yeah, see, they put these GUIDs in there. They did add the GUIDs. Maybe I should add them. They're not required, but I should probably add them. I'm going to replace these GUIDs here. And actually, my GUIDs have probably changed. Better check. Okay, so shared. Where's my shared? UWP. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. Nine A B. They didn't do a good job of mapping these. Two UWPs here. WPF. Okay, I'll come back to that. I don't want to get slowed down on that. here they're doing some GUID generation. Places GUID 2, GUID 1. Oh man, I guess I do need some of this stuff. There's the container. Got that. Primary outputs. Yeah, I know about that. So this is definitely more geared towards the CLI, which I haven't really done a good job at supporting. Oh, they actually go by Uno platform. I wonder if I should say Uno platform. I've been shorting it to Uno, but I'm curious if I should stick with what they got. I definitely don't need the target framework version. Fine. Dan says yes, Uno platform. Well, I'm keeping the I'm keeping Uno here. I guess you have to say Uno platform so you get confused with the game. Uno! Right? Crap, it's 11:43 already. Ugh. I got a meeting. Okay, primary outputs. I'm not really concerned about these yet either. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so I'm definitely not going to have time to finish all of this at all in the least bit. I might have to continue this next week. Okay, yeah, this is for the CLI. Because not only do I have to do that, this build script here, I have to modify. Whoops, for yes, here. So we have the WPF new spec path. So, like, for example, Control C, Control V, Prism, .uno, .templates. And I need a root path for the Uno root path. And an Uno new spec path. Where's my root path up here? Here we go. Okay, got the Uno. And then I need to invoke that with the Uno new spec file path. NuGet output directory, that's fine. NuGet hash, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that's all that was for that. That's license icon. Okay, I think that's all I had to do for that. That actually wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all, actually. So I wonder if I could go ahead and test this. To do that, let's open in a new window. Go to the template pack, template pack, templates. Okay, I'm gonna run this and see what happens. Does it work? It didn't work. Oh! We have it. Okay, I might have an error in there. Yes. There we go. That might have been the problem right there. Yeah. Good catch. Excellent catch. Run with PowerShell. Running over here on the other side. Well, crap. It still didn't work. It should show up right here if it worked. I did call it Uno, right? The folder. Uno, yes, I did call it Uno. Okay, I did call it Uno, so that's got that right. Script root. Uno root path, new spec file, uno.templates at new spec. Okay, that's right. NuGet file, pack, Uno spec. NuGet output directory. Okay. Let's run the script and see what happens. Will it give me an error? No, it said it completed successfully. But it's not there. It created package, completed project. Oh, wait a minute. No. That should work. Okay. I am obviously not seeing something. Let me go back. Templates. Here they are right here. Oh. Nope, I remember. We are using modules. Sorry. We're using modules in our GitHub submodules. That's why. I think that's why it's like that. Because yeah. This is the submodule that we're using in Git. So this would bring it in to the project. So, okay, that worked. So if I open this up, I should see the Uno blank template. Okay, cool. Here's our project. Okay, nice. Our stuff is in there. Okay, cool. Perfect. Great. Donato. Hey, how's it going? That worked fine. Okay, so I have a meeting, so I don't have a lot of time. Wait, close.
Another one.
So what I need to
Another
do...
one.
Dekratos,
Another one.
thank you for the follow.
Another one.
I will need to come back
Another
to this.
one. And another one.
And I need to work on the template config for our template now. I can close this out. I need to work on the template config. I need to get the template.j... Why did you open in Visual Studio? I need to get this sorted out. I need to fix the source name, because that's not the source name. It's actually Uno blank template. Uno blank template. Because what's going to happen is when the .NET template engine runs, it's going to find everything called Uno blank template in my project and replace it with the correct name that I gave the project. Okay, so that needs to be fixed. I need to make like UWP, like I don't know what this is. I need to get these GUIDs fixed. I need to add the proper symbols and add my output path. And then we could actually add this to the Visual Studio extension, the Prism Template Pack Visual Studio extension. So, yes, there's still work to do, but we got a lot done. Heck, we spent an hour fiddling with the stupid project structure. How annoying was that? But yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there with our first Uno blank template. And then we'll get this to where it will work in the... here, let me show you real quick. I got time to show you this. We'll have time to get that template in this Visual Studio extension. Right? So it'll be a project template here. You see where it says C#. We will have an Uno option. And then, actually, I'll just add it right now. Add new solution folder. No, I won't. I won't add it right now because I have to branch and all that stuff. Okay, but we'll add a new Uno template. These are the templates for WPF and Xamarin Forms. And then if we look here, this is where our templates for Uno are going to appear. You see these two right here? Prism.wpf to templates. That we will copy into this folder. So if we go... Oh, I don't want to unload to look at it. But essentially what happens is when we build this template pack project, right, it will actually build... Whoops. It runs this script here. So, and then it does all the copying and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Dan says we should make this sponsor only. But yeah. And then what's cool is, so we add these NuGet packages to the Visual Studio extension. And then essentially, I use the Microsoft Visual Studio Template Engine Wizard to unpack the template and put it on disk. So it seems a little complex, but once you know how to do it, it's not bad, but it's definitely not documented. Actually, I should probably do a video on this. I should do a blog or something on this, because this is knowledge that you get only from hours and hours and days of fiddling around with it, right? Not really documented. What time is it? Oh my gosh. It's about that time. About that time. Okay. I have a meeting to get to. Golly. Meetings, I swear. Suck. Okay, let's find somebody to raid. Yes. Hours and hours and days of swearing. Exactly. See, that's what experience is. It's the hours and hours and days and weeks and years of swearing, learning stuff. I'm not really seeing anyone. You know what? Someone mentioned web. So I got someone who always does web stuff. /raid Floor and Pop. Let's raid Floor and Pop. Right now, I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Thank you very much. Who is that? Who's that? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I gotta go. I have a meeting to get to, but I appreciate you all. Thanks for joining me. I will see you next time. Out of here. We're raiding.